Hello, I hope you're all well and having a lovely day. I am Avtaars from Avtaars World, and today I'm going to talk about superfood, Kefir, how you can make this superfood at home very quickly and very easily. This has become so popular that you can find it on almost every major supermarket shelves, and it comes in the bottles and is ready to drink. It is fermented product coming from either the cow's milk or goat's milk or sheep's milk, or if you're allergic to the dairy products, you can have either with the coconut milk or almond milk and so on. I'm going to show you how to make it quickly at home with just the normal milk. Apparently this is much more healthier than the yogurt. Yogurt has got about 5 different types or so of different bacteria, whereas kefir has got 50 types of different bacteria. So that is a big difference in the numbers, and that's what makes it more healthy. Now, talking about the health benefits, it's because it's made out of milk, so it's full of calcium, which is good for your bone health and your skin health, as well as it's meant to be very good for inflammation and your immune system. It's actually very good for the gut bacteria or your good gut health. Let's have a look at what it looks like. I'm going to show you what comes out of the bottle, just bought from the supermarket, so you can see what the consistency looks like. And this is ready to drink, but the one that I make at home, this is what it looks like. So if you look at it closer, even on the walls of this jug, you can actually see the little lumps of the curds. Now, if I show you homemade yogurt, it looks like this. It's like a block, and the whey has separated. Of course, when you mix it, it will go into a thinner consistency. You see the originality of the kefir. It's from Eastern Europe or Russia, and what they call is grains that you add for the fermentation into the milk. Now, these kefir cultures, what I did was use the preserved one, which came in a packet, and it was very much like little clusters, white clusters. Obviously this has been preserved, and I have had that culture for many years. You can buy one of this and use this as your starting culture. You can use organic milk or full cream milk. I tend to use the semi-skimmed milk, and I'm going to add, so I'll tend to do, out of the habit, 5 spoons, and I've just mixed it, cover it loosely, and I'm going to leave it on my dining table, depending on the room temperature. When it is winter, when it's colder, sometimes it's longer. So between 24 hours and 36 to 48 hours, then it's ready to be consumed. Once this comes out, then the same cultures will be kept, and then I repeat the cycle again and again, and it's so simple. Let's look after our health and body and eat healthy as well. Please do subscribe, like, and post us your comments. Until next time, God bless you all. Bye bye for now. Take care.